The Statue of Liberty, America's icon of freedom. Hey there! Welcome back to the Basic Engineering. Today, we're exploring one of America's most iconic landmarks, the Statue of Liberty. This symbol of freedom and hope not only represents American ideals but also showcases fascinating engineering and design. Let's dive into its incredible story. Completed in 1886 and gifted by France to the United States, the Statue of Liberty stands proudly on Liberty Island in New York Harbor. Designed by Frédéric-Auguste Bartholdi and engineered by Eugène-Emmanuel Viollet-le-Duc and Alexandre Gustave Eiffel, this colossal sculpture symbolizes the friendship between the two nations and the universal pursuit of freedom. Its construction during the post-Civil War era marked a turning point for America as it welcomed millions of immigrants, making the statue a beacon of hope. From an engineering perspective, the Statue of Liberty is a marvel. Standing at a total height of 93 meters, 305 feet, from ground to torch tip, the statue's framework was designed by Gustave Eiffel, ensuring structural stability despite the fragile copper skin. Constructed with an iron framework covered by 300,000 copper sheets, the statue's innovative design allowed for slight movements in the wind, an early example of what we now call flexible engineering. The pedestal, built using granite blocks, further supports the statue, anchoring it firmly against the elements. Over the years, the Statue of Liberty has undergone several restoration projects to preserve its grandeur. In the 1980s, extensive renovations were made to address corrosion and structural wear. Modern preservation techniques, including non-invasive monitoring and advanced materials for repair, have ensured that this symbol of freedom remains intact for future generations. These efforts not only honor the statue's historical significance, but also reflect the ongoing evolution of conservation engineering. Let's talk some fun facts. Did you know that the Statue of Liberty's copper skin is only about 3/32 of an inch thick, roughly the thickness of a couple of coins? The statue weighs approximately 225 tons, yet its flexible design allows it to sway gently in high winds without damage. Every year, over 4 million visitors come to see Lady Liberty up close, making it one of the most visited monuments in the United States. When it was first assembled, the statue's original copper color was bright, but oxidation over time created the familiar green patina we see today. The Statue of Liberty isn't just an engineering feat, it's a cultural icon. It has inspired countless films, literature, and art, symbolizing the hope and opportunity that America represents. For immigrants arriving by sea, the sight of Lady Liberty was their first glimpse of a new beginning, making her a lasting emblem of freedom and welcome. Takeaway: the Statue of Liberty stands as a testament to human ingenuity, resilient engineering, and the enduring spirit of freedom. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more deep dives into amazing engineering wonders, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.